Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can restart any kind of service in Windows system? Okay, so in your Windows 11 system or any kind of Windows system, how you can restart a service? Okay, so first of all, open the services here. Okay, go to start bar and search the service. Here you can see the service icon. Open the service icon, and now we have lots of option. Okay, so let's suppose I want to restart this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can see there are lots of option here. Let's suppose another DSCP service. Okay, DSCP service 1 2 3 D. Okay, DSCP client. Okay, so I want to restart the DSCP client. Okay, just right click on it and click on restart. Okay, and it will ask you for, okay, so you say yes and it will restart your service. Okay, if any kind of service you want to restart, there are many options from here. And so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.